is if 3014 base 5 is equal to 2112 in base 5 plus y in base 5. Find the value of y. So if the whole of these two quantities equals this single quantity, it means that y in base 5 will be equal to 3014 base 5 minus 2112 also in base 5. So whatever we get is the value of y. So 4 minus 2 equals to 2 in base 5. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 0 minus 1, you have to bring another bundle from 3. If you remove a single bundle here, we are left with 2 bundles, and each bundle represents 5. So you bring 5 here, then 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Then 2 minus 2 is 0, so we leave the answer that way. So 402 is the value of y, which is option E. Question 9 says simplify 2 plus root 5 divided by 2 root 5 minus 1. Now this is a sodic number here, which is an irrational number, so we have to rationalize the denominator by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, and the conjugate of the denominator is 2 root 5 plus 1. So we are going to have something like this: root 5 divided by 2 root 5 minus 1 multiplied by 2 root 5 plus 1 divided by 2 root 5 plus 1. 2 times 2 root 5 will have 4 root 5. 2 times 1 will give us 2. Then the next one, this is root 5 times 2 root 5, which is 2 root 25, because 5 times 5 is 25. Then the next one is root 5 times 1, which will give us root of 5. All divided by this one and this one are the same. The only difference they have is this one has negative sign while this one has a positive sign. So that is what we call difference of squares. Difference of squares says you square the first term, you subtract and square the second term. So let's simplify. 4 root 5 plus a single root 5, making 5 root 5. Then we have plus here. Then 2 root 5 is 5 times 2, 10, plus 2, 12. We have 12 here. All divided by 2 squared is 4 times root 5 squared is 5 minus 1. And this is 5 root 5 plus 12 divided by, this is 20 minus 1, which is 19. We end up having this as our solution. A shareholder bought shares worth 100,000 naira on ordinary share at 2 naira each. If dividend of 15 kobo per share is received, how much dividend was received? So first of all, we need to know how many shares the shareholder bought, which total shares will be 100,000 divided by 2, which is equal to 50,000 shares. 50,000 shares. And we are told that there is a dividend of 15 kobo per each share. So 15 kobo for each share. So now let us convert covers to naira, which is equal to 0.15 naira per share. And we know that we have 50,000 shares. The total dividend will be equal to 0.15 multiplied by 50,000, and this will be equal to 7,500. This is the total dividend, which is the option C. We are asked to find the future value of an ordinary annuity of 500 naira paid yearly for 4 years at 10% per annum. Annuities are investment contracts sold by financial institutions like insurance companies. So the general formula to use here is so A will be equal to 500 multiplied by 1 plus 10 divided by 100, because R is 10, raised to the power of t minus 1 divided by 10 divided by 100. So this is 4, this is 4 because time is 4. This equals 500. This divided by this is 0.1 plus 1 is 1.1 raised to the power of 4 minus 1, and this is the same thing as 0.1. 1.1 to the power of 4 is same as 1.4641 minus 1 equals to 0.4641 divided by 0.1 equals to 4.641, then times 500, which is this, all equals 2320.5. This is the total annuity after 4 years, which is the option C. Find the determinant of the matrix K equals to this. Let me show you the simplest way to find the determinant of a matrix. K determinant will be equal to 3, 1, negative 2, 0, 2, negative 1, negative 1, negative 3, 1. Now we are going to repeat the first and the second column. Here we are going to repeat them. Let me use another marker. This is 3, 1, negative 2, 0, 2, negative 1. Now we are going to multiply the first 3 diagonal elements. This is 1, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Three times 2 times 1 is 6, plus 0 times negative 3 times negative 2 is 0. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. We need to add all of this together. Then we subtract. Then we are going to multiply another diagonal. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. Then positive 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1 times 0 is 0. Then we simplify. 6 plus 0 plus 1 is 7. minus 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 0 is 13. Then 7 minus 13 is negative 6. Negative 6 is the determinant of this matrix K. Find the sum of the first 40 positive even numbers. The set of even numbers, let me call it E. The set of these numbers are 2, 4, 6 up to first 40. So the last number will be 80. Because even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2. So these are the set. So what it means here, we should add these numbers together. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus up to 80. So we can use AP sequence to find the sum of this. So Sn from AP says n divided by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 times d. And this can be simplified to n divided by 2 in bracket of a plus n minus 1 times d. And you know that a plus n minus 1 times d is L, which is the last term. So we have n over 2 in bracket of a plus L. So now let's substitute this. You know the numbers are 40, so n equals to 40. And the first term, which is a, equal to 2. This is the very first term. The last term is 80. So S40 will be equal to n. N is 40 divided by 2 times a is 2, then plus L, which is 80. 40 divided by 2 is 20 times 80 plus this is 82. So altogether equal to 1640. 1640. So this is the sum of all the terms there.